everybody. Let's learn the letter P today. Can you say P with me? Great job. And look, this is big P and small p. Big P and small p. Are you guys ready? Do you guys know what words have the letter P in them? Take a guess. Maybe you know some already. Look. Pig, spin, puff, pop, and cup. Wow, how many pigs can you see? Can you say pig? Well done! Puff. Can you say puff? When you're running, you might puff. And can you see the little red house on the hill? What can you do at home? You can paint a picture of a cup. Can you say cup? How many cups can you see? I see 2. And pop. Say pop. Great job. P. Well done, everybody. Now you know all the words with the letter P. That's fantastic. Can you remember them all? Can you say all the words now with the letter P? I bet.